This next song we'll do is a song from Little Dimey. John Kiminuk Sr. composed this song, and he called it a Silent Dance. And we see his son out there, James.
Anga ya nga, aya nga.